Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this one on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, and today the bears took a pretty big bite out of it. If you watched yesterday's video, then you know exactly what I mean by that. And that comment is all revolving around this pink line right here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. And as I've been saying, this is one of those levels where a lot of people know about it, even if you're just really new to charts or have a basic understanding. I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that from the long-term trend perspective, assuming you're bullish, you want to see the price stay above it. And up until today, the bulls were doing a great job of it. I mean, there were several times where the bears tried to press down through, but the bulls held strong. However, holding strong, they just couldn't quite do that today as the price broke through it. And then you can see kind of, the chart definitely didn't like that as the price just, got continuation to the downside. Now, to give the bulls a little bit of credit, they did get a nice little bounce this afternoon. However, still work to be done. And that first bit of quote unquote work to be done is getting back up above that pink line. So that pink line is definitely priority number one in terms of resistance levels and areas that you want to see the price get up above, because that is, again, the long-term trend indicator. And that's not my opinion. Anybody, that's just the way charts are. That's, a simplistic rule in charting is that 200 period, you want to see the price stay above it. And with the price breaking below it, that's a good sign of power on the bear's part. But again, just because the price broke below it, I'm not sitting here saying that the price will never, ever get above it again or anything like that. That's the world of penny stocks or any stocks is, Monday, the price could, break back up above it. But that is certainly priority number one, getting back up above that pink line. Now, what about areas of support? So if this price continues downwards, where are some of these next potential areas at where the price could stabilize? First area of support is just where the price, bottomed out today, and twice, the bulls try to break through that 0036, but did do a good job of holding strong there. So 0036, that initial area, in the event the price cannot hold above there, the next overall area of support at that point, which is 0031. So 0036, 0031, next couple areas of support. But like I said, got a little miniature bounce, which is a good sign. Now the bulls need to continue to build upon that and get themselves back up above that pink line. So we'll see if they can get that mission accomplished or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.